I did say I wanted to.
Water! What are you doing? Ordering our breakfast. Kain na, let's eat! What do I have? I've got pancakes. Smudge. It's my first time here in Auckland. What do you call this?
Four-wheel drive park.
Auckland 4-wheel drive park. Massive place. Massive place. We've been driving around for an hour or so. We still haven't seen the end of the track. We've tried sands. We've got muddy parts. We just got out of the forest trail, so it's good.
Oy, galing na tayo dito, di ba?
So yeah, we brought some recovery gears. We have recovery gears. We have straps. We got shovel and other stuff. We're putting the recovery gear on Jerome's roof rack instead of putting it at the back of my car. I don't have a roof rack. That's that. Ilan na beses ako na stock? Dalawa.
Yeah, keep going, bro. Yeah, keep going. Go.
Malalaglag ka pero okay lang. Dito. Gulong, dito gulong. Diretso.
Adobo! So it's been a great day, short but sweet. First experience of being stuck. So I got stuck 3 times. First, managed to get out through recovery gear. Then I got stuck again. I had to be pulled out. Then the third one, managed to get out through, it was a like sand muddy part. We're done! Filling up our air. Gonna call it a day. And then, to give my baby a good car wash. It's a good day.